Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how to delete duplicate photos on iPhone. So step one, open the Photos app. This is the available photos in my library. I have only 6 photos, and as you see, some of them are duplicate, like this photo that has the house here, and this photo with the mouse. Now to delete duplicate photos, simply click on Collections, then scroll down all the way to the bottom, and below Utilities, click on Duplicates. This way you will only see duplicated photos on your iPhone. Now to duplicate those those duplicated photos on the bottom, click on Merge. As you see, these selected items are exact copies that may have different metadata. Merging will keep one version of the duplicates that combines relevant data and move the rest to recently duplicated. Click on Merge to exact copies. As you see, they are now merged. So since they are merged and not duplicated, they are hidden from this duplicated list. Let's repeat the same thing for these two photos. Click on merge to exact copies, and just like that, no more merged copies. And if I go back to my library, as you see, I only have one copy of each duplicated photos. And this is how to delete duplicated photos on iPhone. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.